What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to experimentally plant one Roma tomato plant, and that's what's going on at Noah's house. Hey guys, I have tons of extras. Let me spin you around. Try not to get a finger in there. Oh, look at all these extra tomato plants. Gotta be a dozen, baker's dozen. Those are peppers and eggplants. I have a plan for that. But I have this guy. Check this guy out. Check this guy. Let me zoom back. This is a Roma. Now I just cut some things off there. Oh, great camera work today. Oh, I'm making this. This is gonna be short, like a 2-minute video. There, see how I cut those little stems off? Well, what I'm thinking is, I have this planter. I'm gonna put this guy, whoop, all the way down there. Look how far down that stem is buried. That stem's gonna be buried close to a foot. And I'm gonna put that in there and see if burying it that deep has any effect. So, I think it's gonna be interesting. Let's get that done. Okay, I don't have a tripod or nothing. I got my camera shoved into a grow bag down in the dirt. Here it is. Let's stick it in. Whew. All right, well, there it is. It's about 5 gallons worth of medium. I was redoing some grow bags, and this was extra stuff from some pots. I did put a little bit of garden tone in it, mixed it up, shook it around on the tarp, filled up the grow bags, had that extra 5 gallons, and thought, hey, I wonder if this will work. So we'll keep an eye on this one throughout the summer. If it dies, we'll dig it up and see why. And if it goes to the end of summer and gives us some good tomatoes, when it dies back, I'll dump the whole thing out and we'll check out the root system, see how big the root system got, because it's all the way down there. So I don't know, but this is just a quick one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.